evening, parents, students, and stakeholders. It is my absolute honor to welcome you to our 2021 virtual open house this evening at Don Estridge High-Tech Middle School. My name is Rachel Capitano, and I am the proud principal of this first-class school. While some parents may fear the middle school years, we embrace these 3 years as they are critical to developing our students academically, socially, and emotionally while meeting students in their world through technology platforms and devices. Speaking of technology platforms and devices, we have 12 breakout rooms for you to visit this evening. In these breakout rooms, you will meet some of the best teachers in Palm Beach County. Once you have visited the breakout rooms of your choice, please spend some time viewing our promotional videos and school brochure. Finally, I want to encourage you to relax and enjoy your time with us this evening from the comfort of your own home or wherever you may be at this moment. Just know that we are so happy you chose to spend your evening with us at the Don. Be well and go Dragons!